This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, okay. Can you please open yesterday's notes? Okay. So how many completed your examples, guys? Yesterday I asked you, right? Like Google examples for grep, find. So compulsory you go through them, guys, without fail. Okay, those examples also to get more understanding, to get more clarity. Okay, next. Okay, start command. Start and unique commands. As name states that, guys, sort is nothing but sorting the orders. Okay, so we can sort our orders like alphabetically, numerically. So again, Sandeep saying that my voice is not audible. Is it for same everybody?
No, voice is coming.
You are able to hear me, right? Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Where is your putty session, Avinash? Please connect.
Yes, sir. I'm connecting.
Yes.
Yeah. Increase the font and make it pseudo. సో గైస్ మీకు ఈ టెక్స్ట్ ప్రాసెసింగ్ టూల్స్ బాగా వచ్చు అనుకోండి, షెల్ స్క్రిప్ట్ అయిపోయినట్టే, ఇంకేం లేదు షెల్ స్క్రిప్ట్ లో. ఈ టెక్స్ట్ ప్రాసెసింగ్ టూల్స్ మెయిన్. ఇవి వేరియబుల్స్, టెక్స్ట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ అది. ఇంక్రీజ్ ద ఫాంట్. సో గైస్, ఇఫ్ యూ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్ దిస్ టెక్స్ట్ ప్రాసెసింగ్ టూల్, if you are more comfortable with these text processing tools, means that's it. You can write down any kind of shell scripts. Okay, so today we'll talk about sort command. Can you write down the names line by line? Any names, maybe human being names. Not in order. Any zigzag manner. Yeah, go ahead. Anything. Go ahead. Go ahead. Even remove Amar. Write down. Any names. Line by no line by line only. Not like this. Only names. You can repeat also. Not immediately. Somewhere. Hmm. Please repeat few names again. No, don't repeat like that. Again somewhere. Yeah, enough. Save it now. Okay. Yeah, save it now. So guys, now I have a file or any command. It doesn't matter, guys. File, command, okay, na. Some output is there. So I want to sort that output. So by default output is this one. Okay, now some duplicates are there, and in this names are there, but all zigzag manner. So I want to make, if at all I want to make it in like an order means, so I can do like this. Okay, sort command. See guys, always pipe symbol is very useful here. So cat, your file name. So what it does generally, it will open the file, but it will send the output to the screen. What I am doing, I am sending that output to the second command. So sort is one of the command to sort the order. మీరు ఇచ్చే ఏ అవుట్పుట్ అయినా సార్ట్ చేస్తుంది అది. So I'm sending that output to sort command. So it is making an order. Okay, ascending order, even descending order also. We have some option for sort command. See, descending order now. S to A, Z to A. Okay, now like this, by using sort command, you can make a order. Okay, write down. Write down in notes. So we can sort our outputs in all with respect. ఇక్కడ sort. We can sort our outputs. We can sort our outputs with respect to alphabetically as well as numerically also. Okay, so yeah, that is what sort command, guys. Next, unique command. So what is unique command? Same as name states that it will remove the duplicates, guys. Okay, from any output we can remove the duplicates. Just say we can remove duplicates by using this command. We can remove duplicates. Okay, so duplicate lines it will remove, guys. If any duplicates available, see here in this we have many duplicates. Okay, Narayan 2 times, Avi 2 times, Krishna 2 times, okay, Ram 2 times, Shiva 2 times. It doesn't matter how many names you have, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. I want to filter them. I want to make only one time each entry. I don't want to see like this. First sort it like this, then again pipe it. So guys, you can use pipe symbol any number of times. See, I'm using 2 times here. First, I'm opening the file. I'm sending that output to sort command. So it will sort the order. Again, that order, now I'm sending it to unique, guys. See, now no duplicates. Why? So maybe sometimes what will happen, guys, in VA editor, some junk characters will be created. Invisible junk characters. We cannot see them, but see here, Shiva, actually both are same. It should remove as part of maybe but I think so. There might be some kind of space. Okay, there might be some invisible character here. That is the reason it is showing 2 times. But generally, it should not be. మీకు ఇక్కడ ఏదో జంక్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఉంది ఇన్విజిబుల్ క్యారెక్టర్ అందుకనే ఇలా రెండు సో ఇట్ ఈస్ షోయింగ్ ఇట్ షుడ్ నాట్ షో యాక్చువల్లీ వెన్ ఐ యూజ్ యూనిక్ ఓకేనా సో యూనిక్ కమాండ్ విల్ రిమూవ్ ద డూప్లికేట్స్ అడ్జసెంట్ డూప్లికేట్స్ అంటే పక్క పక్కన ఉన్న డూప్లికేట్స్ ని రిమూవ్ చేస్తుంది ఫస్ట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు స్టార్ట్ ఇట్ డైరెక్ట్లీ ఐ కెనాట్ యూస్ యూనిక్ గైస్ ఫస్ట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు మేక్ ఎ స్టార్ట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు ఆర్డర్ ఇట్ ఓకేనా సో అడ్జసెంట్ పక్క పక్కన ఉన్న డూప్లికేట్స్ ని రిమూవ్ చేస్తుంది ఇట్ విల్ రిమూవ్ ద అడ్జసెంట్ డూప్లికేట్స్ ఓకేనా సో వెన్ ఐ డూ సార్టింగ్ వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్ ఆల్ duplicates will come together, right? So then I can make a unique command, so it will remove the duplicates. Okay, now so you no need to make manually. You simply you can use this sort and unique to filter the things. Okay, to sort in ascending, descending order, and then make a remove the duplicates. So that is what sort and unique command. Okay, from the outputs. So guys, as I told, these text processing tools we can use 2 ways for files. If it is command means this is the syntax, guys. Okay, but for files we can use in this way also. This is also same. See, I can start like this. Both are same. See, both outputs same, guys. Okay, now this command and this command. For files, I can use this way also. Okay, but for commands, compulsory I should go in this way only. First command, then pipe symbol. Like example, you have ps-ef. What is ps-ef command, guys? What is ps-ef, guys?
Processes.
It will show all the process. Okay, it is showing all the process. ps-ef means example. From there I want to do some like a like a unique and sort, so I can go with ps-ef. Okay, yeah, next yeah, write down completed sort and unique. We can remove duplicates from the report. Okay, from the outputs. Okay, next wc command, word count, guys. We can count numbers. Okay, maybe number of lines, words, characters, paragraphs, guys. So by using wc command, we can count the number of lines, number of words, number of characters, number of paragraphs. Okay, here I have few questions. How many duplicates we have in the output? Okay, second question, in which line numbers we have duplicates? Okay, so try to find out the options with unique command. So we can, okay, these are the tasks for unique command. Okay, next. We can count number of lines. Okay, with echo command also I have one question. So when do we use WC command? I will give you one situation. Example, okay, RPM space hyphen QA command. What is this command, guys? What is the purpose of RPM hyphen QA command?
Yes.
It will show you all installed packages. So guys, see here it is showing number of packages. All are packages. So someone asked you, like how many packages are there in your system already installed? So here I have to do count. See, each line is one package name, right? So manually I no need to count it. If I count the number of lines means I can say that many packages. So I no need to count manually. What I can do? Simple. RPM hyphen QA pipe symbol WC. Guys, see that output I am sending it to WC command. Okay, that generally when I run any command, what will happen? That output will be visible in the screen. That output will be sent to the screen. But here I'm not sending it to the screen. I'm sending it to the second command. My requirement is counting. So I'm sending that output to second command, WC. See, this many lines, this many, why lines and words both are same here, guys, in this case? So why it is showing same lines and words? Why? Because see here there is no space in each line. It's a single word only, right? Line and word same here in this case. It's not a words. It's not a sentence. It's a single package name. So line number and word number same. That is the reason here it is showing same. Okay. Here it is characters, number of characters. So 456 lines I have in my output. What does that mean? Guys, what does that mean? 450 lines I have means that many packages I installed in my system. Okay, it can be file. Example, I have one file. Okay, cat /etc password. What is this file? What is the purpose of this file? Guys, it shows all the user details. How many users you have in your system. Okay, now user details it will show you. Okay, now I want to count the number of users. What should I do? Same, pipe symbol WC. See, 26 users you have in your project, in your system. But because each line one user details in this file. So 26 lines, 45 words, 1312 characters. Example, how many process running in your system, available in your system? So PS-EF will show you process information. Now I want to count the number of lines. Each line is one process, right? So I no need to count manually. Simple again. WC command. See, 97 process available in your system. 830 words. 6487 characters. So this is how we can count the number of lines from your outputs. It can be file output, it can be command output. So as I told, if it is a file, how can I run? I can go in this way also, guys. So all text processing tools, okay, we can go in two ways for files. This is also fine. Even this is also fine. Both are saved, guys. So this is also fine. This is also fine. Okay, now. So in both the ways you can use it. But for commands like ps-ef, as I told, for this one I should go in this way only. I cannot go like this. I cannot go like this, in this way. It won't work out because both are commands only here in this case. Only for files I can go like this. Okay, now in two ways. But for commands means I should go in this way only. First you run your command, then use your text processing tools. We are processing the text, guys. That is the reason we are calling it as a text processing tools. We are counting the number of lines. We are making an order of the line. We are sorting the line. We are removing the duplicates in the lines. Okay, we are searching the keywords from the lines. We are searching the files. So we are managing the data. We are managing the text here. So we are managing the files. Okay, so file processing tools and text processing tools, these are called as very, very important in shell script. You can do any kind of automation if you know these commands. Okay, now shell scripting is nothing, guys. So if you know these commands, if you understand this command, that's it. You can write down any kind of shell script. It is not a special language. Okay, na? Yeah, that is about word count. Next, yeah, actually paragraphs I need, guys. Even as of now, I don't have the answer. Then I never tried it, but I have this question for you. Try how to count the paragraphs. How to count number of paragraphs, if at all, in your file or in your output. If you have paragraphs, how to count it? How many paragraphs I have? So guys, here why I'm giving the task to you mean while searching something, definitely you will get so many other things. Okay, now example I'm searching for this one. While searching this, you will come to know how to search. Plus, you will get other things also. So many other things you will come to know that. Please work on tasks. Maybe this task you may not get anywhere. Okay, now in real time. But definitely you will understand how to search. And one more thing, guys, I will show you one shortcut how to search whenever you have a task. Not only these tasks, always use predictions from the Google. Example, I'm searching how to count. Okay, how to count paragraphs. See, guys, try to use these kind of predictions, keywords. Okay, example, how to make SSH. See, when I say like SSH, I'm getting so many predictions below. Try to understand which one is nearby to you for your requirement. Example, how to make SSH connection live. See, you get so many like prediction. Okay, so try to use these predictions to get more efficient results. Okay, now see, multiple options. Try to get it, try to understand that. So which one is correct, which one is nearby to your search. Use that. That is one thing. And if at all you're not able to find out the answer in this way, just rephrase this sentence. Don't use the same again. So example, my my putti is inactive. See, we will get the answer when I search in this way. So try to rephrase it. Example, guys, my putti session will be inactive if at all I don't use for 5 minutes. Generally, okay, now maybe 2-3 minutes if I am idle, my putti session will be inactive. Again, I have to restart my session. Just re-log in, restart me. So how can I avoid that? That is what my question. So try to rephrase it. So example, my putti is inactive, or else how to make it, my putti always live. Okay, now these kind of like key phrases you should make it, and try to use your predictions always to get more efficient results. Okay, please don't use like your own keywords, and of course you can use, but try to use predictions only always. If at all you don't get the answer, please rephrase the answer, rephrase the question. Same question we can ask in many ways, minimum 3 to 4 ways. Just try to change the keywords in that question. 100% you will get the answer. And whenever you get any issue from any command line, why? Because there's few guys, they're asking even for small things also, they're pinging. Example, I will give you one example. So they are doing this something like this, assume that, okay na, something they are doing like this, one file. What it does, guys, what it does, it will check the like properties of this file, right? Now what is the error? What does that mean? For this also they're asking me, what should I do with you then? What you are learning in this case? Don't ping me these kind of small things to me, guys. I'm not saying you don't ask me. You can ask me when. That is the final step, not the first step. You don't learn anything in this way. First understand this. See, really, guys, few guys, they ping me with this error. Sir, I'm getting this error. Maybe not exact this file. Maybe whenever you implement something and all, they're pinging me. Sir, this command not working. What should I do with you? Then definitely I don't reply to that kind of guys. So without doing R&D, without understanding the error, they're simply pinging me. It's not like something. If I give one command, you remember that and you simply by heart that and you are using it. It doesn't work in real time, guys. We can't remember everything. No need to remember also, but try to analyze the output, analyze the error. Here it's clearly saying that no such file or directory. Please try to understand it. Try to Google it with this error. If you don't understand, then you will get the answer. Try to understand. Go with different websites. Simply don't ping me for this kind of situation, errors. That is the final step. Then only come to me. At beginning, it's not a. It should not be a first step, guys. Please don't. So I don't want to name them, but don't ping me like this. These kind of small issues. Okay. Yeah. So always search in that way. Next. So WC completed. Can you show me the list of commands which I given yesterday? Do you have those commands? Okay, next is sed command. Okay, so what is sed command? search and replace, guys. Sed command is search and replace from outputs. Search is, so we can search and replace the keywords. From any file or from any output, you can search and replace the keywords, guys. Example, here see, Amar is there. I want to replace Amar. Okay, without opening the file, I can do that. sed -i s stands for string. I want to replace Amar with Pradeep. Okay, so by default, sed command. Okay, I'll do one thing. First of all, let me open. I did not run it, guys. I just cancel the command. Control C to cancel the command. I'll do one thing. Maybe let's have few lines double type Amar. Okay, now maybe 2 times, 3 times by mistake and something. There would be so many applications available in your real time, guys. Maybe application generated files. These are okay. Now you got files like this. Now my requirement is, so he asked you, I want to replace Pradeep with Amar. So Amar with Pradeep. Okay, now then this is the command. I no need to open the file, guys. I no need to open the file. What I can do, simple, set -i s slash my old keyword slash my new keyword slash double quotes my file name, guys. Okay, but here what will happen means, sed command will read the line, read every line only one time. Assume that in first line I have 2 times Amar. Okay, now so by default it won't replace all Amars in every line. Every line it will read only one time. And example, in first line or somewhere you have 2 times Amar. It will replace only one time in every line, guys. By default, sed command will search and replace the keyword in every line only one time. So okay, now example, in one of the line you have 2 times, you have 3 times, you have 4 times. It will replace only first occurrence, first word only, that Amar word. Remaining 3 words, it will keep it like that only. Okay, now so for to avoid that, what I can do, I can use G. G stands for global. So it will read the line in number of times. How many times you have keywords? That many. Example, in third line, I have 2 times Amar in third line. Then what will happen? 3 occurrences it will replace if I use G. If I don't use G, it will replace only first Amar. The remaining 2 Amars, it won't replace. That is what G, global. Okay, now it will replace all the occurrences in every line. In third line or fifth line or seventh line, somewhere I have 2 times Amar, 3 times Amar, 5 times Amar. It will replace all the occurrences in every line. Otherwise, every line only one time. Let me show you. See, first line 2 Amars I have actually, but only one time it is replaced. Why? Because I did not use G here. If I use G, then only it will replace. 2 times I have read, 2 times it will replace if I use G. Everywhere the same thing. Actually here I given a small letter. Only small it will check. Not care. This is different Amar. Right? See? This is different Amar. This line did not happen. Okay. So I want to make, doesn't matter. Small, caps, everything I want to make it. G means global. I means case sensitive, insensitive. It will remove the sensitivity. Even small, so whatever you given, it will take small, capital, everything. It will replace with Amar. GI means case insensitive, then global. See, now everywhere, wherever Amar is there, small, capital, everything replaced. Okay, now. So now let me example one more time. I'm showing now. Set -I, S for string, Pradeep /Amar /GI. GI stands for global and case insensitive. Okay, then my file name. See, everywhere. Even 2 times per line also, 3 times per line also it will replace. Because I used G. If I don't use G, only per line 1 time only. First occurrence only it will replace. This one only. It won't touch these 2. If at all I don't use G. And I means small, capital, everything it will replace. Example here capital Amar is there. But here I'm giving a small Amar. Small Amar. Example Pradeep to Amar. So here somewhere I like I have capital P here. Capital P Pradeep. So it won't touch that. So if I use I mean, it doesn't matter. So whatever you given, small or caps, it will take everything. Okay. So that is what set command, guys. I hope you understand. You understood. Right? What is set command? Any questions here, guys? Did you understand what is set command? Okay, search and replace. Now I have few questions here. How to delete empty line? So here I'm giving the condition. Okay, if any line has duplicates. Example, third line has 2 times. Maybe Amar in third line, Amar keyword is there 2 times. Example. So I want to replace the second occurrence. Search and replace only second occurrence. So guys, in one of the line I have 2 times. Okay, example, this line has 2 times. Amar. Only this one I want to change. I don't want to touch this one. I'm giving the condition here. In which line I have 2 times or 3 times. So as of now, take 2 times. Only second occurrence. So example, this line has 2 times, right? This one I have to change to Pradeep. Again, this line has more than 2 times. So this one I want to change. So I don't want to touch this one, guys. So this one also I don't want to touch. Only second occurrence. Duplicates I want to remove. That's my agenda. Okay. So that's where I'm using this. Only second occurrence means the number of times, how many times it is available. Second occurrence means second time it is available in the same line. Now third question. So generally sed command will read entire file, right? In entire file it will apply this condition, this requirement. But my requirement is for some reason I don't want to see the entire file. Only from 5th line to 10th line if I have to play like I want to apply this. 5th line to 10th line only, not entire file. Only in 5th line to 10th line I want to replace Amar with Pradeep. Okay now. Now fourth condition. Search and replace Amar if so guys. So assume that maybe it is related to some game. Okay na, some game related information available. Okay. So Pradeep and Amar maybe they are same team or maybe they are enemies. They should not be in the same line. Wherever Pradeep keyword is there, I want to replace Amar with Avinash. Guys, example in one of the line, I have Pradeep and Amar keywords. Okay na? But they are maybe I don't want to keep them in both the in same team or same line at any cost. So wherever Pradeep is there, in the same line, if Amar is there, I want to replace Amar with Avinash. That means Pradeep is there, Amar is there in one of the lines, in some of the lines. In that case, Amar should be replaced with Avinash. Not everywhere. Example, somewhere we have Amar and some other name. No problem. I don't want to touch them. Only wherever Pradeep and Amar is there in the same line, Amar should be replaced with one of the Avinash, maybe. Example. Okay. So that is the condition here. Sed command. Again, if you go to Google, can you go to Google once? Set examples in Linux. You will get so many examples. Examples are very, very important, guys, here. Set examples. SCD command examples. See, every command has multiple options. Whatever I am showing, whatever I am giving, those are just examples, few examples only. There are so many other examples available in the in Google actually. Please make sure that everybody work more. Yeah. Okay, this is about sed command. Next, TR. TR means translation, guys. Okay, na translation. You can make a small to capital, capital to small. Example, I have one file. Okay, now all small letters. But it should be in a capital letter. TR A to Z. And one more thing, guys, few commands, it won't replace the file. Actually, here it is a file, right? So I'm running this command and it won't save it sometimes. See, if I open the file, still it is showing small only. Only in command line it changed, guys. Okay, now it won't save the output. I will show you how to save the output. Okay, so don't worry. That is that command also we have std out, std error. So that is one separate topic. So that time I will explain. So few commands it won't save the output into your file. Only here it will show you into the screen. So here it is showing in screen. Capital letters, small to capital letters I replaced. I translated. Okay, na? See, but in file still it is there small only. Why? Because this command won't replace the file outputs. It won't save it. Only it will show in command line. In the output it will show, but it won't save it to the file. How to save also I will show you. That is the next topic. Okay. Next, write down. Translate. To translate the outputs, uh, from small letters to capital letters and vice versa. From small letters to capital letters and vice versa. Vice versa means reverse also. Small to capital, capital to small. That is what vice versa. Vice. Vice versa means reverse, guys. మీరు చెప్పిన దానికి రివర్స్ కూడా. So whatever you said, right? Small to capital. Now vice versa means capital to. You no need to say again like full word. So vice versa means reverse way also. Hyderabad to Bangalore, Bangalore to Hyderabad. That is what vice versa. Okay? Yeah. So translate. You can translate. So guys, these like this many options we have. Okay, na. You can use based on your requirement. While writing the shell scripts, while writing the commands. Okay? So this is about trans. And so Avinash, I need a help from you. For each command, please here, each command is there.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
now get all this history. For each command, please paste the outputs also. Example, for translate command, copy this and paste it into notepad for translate output.
Okay,
For
sir.
each
Okay, sir.
command,
I
need
will.
that. Okay. Even for yesterday's command also, if you have yesterday's commands, those also please paste here, send it back to me. I will send it to everybody.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
na?
sir. Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
So I think it is enough for today, guys. Please learn. Okay, don't miss. So I can see few guys joining little late also. First 5 minutes only grace period, guys. Hardly. And one more request from my side. Don't ping me personally for class link and class is there or not. These kind of messages. And good morning. Okay, so why I'm asking? So I will be in a hurry. Like I have to do before joining the class. I have to check my schedules, today's schedules, and I have to join the meeting. So I cannot reply you back individually. Always ping in the group chat only if you need any information. And that too about the class link as well as class recording. Class link won't change for 15 days, guys. If I give one link, it will be available for next 15 days for sure. Until unless like I give one information, it will be the same link always. And first 5 minutes, wait for me. If at all the meeting is not started, at least give me 5 to 6 minutes. Sometimes laptop issue, sometimes network issue. Okay, na. So sometimes like maybe some technical issues. We don't know, right? It might be loading. So if you meanwhile if you send personally or in the group chat about class is there, class not started, these kind of messages, I'll be diverted. Maybe like my mind will be diverted to different ways. Please don't do that. Wait for at least 5 to 10 minutes. If at all, I don't start the meeting. Definitely, if class is not there, I will inform you. Okay, minimum 5 minutes before I will inform at least. If class is not there, if I don't inform them, definitely class will be there. Okay, so please don't do that. Yeah, okay, it's enough for today. We'll make it in tomorrow class again.
Sir,
And yes, yes, Avinash.
sir, actually, I have asked you a doubt now, sir.
What doubt? Tell me.
అదే సార్ నిన్న యూజర్ నుంచి యూజర్ క్రియేట్ చేయడం నాకు అది కొంచెం రావట్లేదు సార్.
I didn't get you. What do you mean? User to user. Show me that what you are trying to do.
ఓకే ఐ విల్ షో యూ. Means I have to check the classes.
Okay, maybe do one thing.
Yes, sir.
Whatever your question is there, keep it ready before the class tomorrow. Okay,
Okay,
na?
sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay then. Okay then, guys. We'll meet tomorrow then same time. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hi,
Practice
sir.
more. Yes.
So
Yes, Alakya.
this is my first day of class, and I missed yesterday's class. So do you mind sharing yesterday's recorded session in the group so that
Yes,
it
it
would be
is there already. Every day I will post the recordings.
okay?
Please
Okay,
check
I'll
your group chat. Definitely yesterday's date, the recording will be there. The link will be posted in your respected group chats. Please download it.
sure. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay then.